Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be showing you my live trade what I did today, and also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit like us. So to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let me show you the live trade what I did today. So guys, yes, today is 10th of November, so the time is around 9:10 now. So let's see how the pre-open market is opening today. Okay, so let me go to market data and pre-open market. So yes, today the Nifty 50 is opening at 0.77% up, that is at 12,556.40. Advances stocks are 38, declines are 9, unchanged are 3 stock. Let's see the stocks which are opening in the gap up section. That's the more gap up section. That is ICICI Bank with 4.99% up, Bajaj Financial with 2.65% up, Tata Motors with 2.16% up. And let's see the stocks which are opening in the gap down today. So Infi with 2% down, Dr. Reddy with 1.14% down, and TCS with 1.08% down. So guys, this is how the pre-open market is looking as of now. So in just in few minutes I'll be doing a live intraday trading. So in that I'll be telling you what stock I'm selecting and how we'll be trading. So stay tuned for that. So guys, right now I have selected Wipro to trade. I'll be short selling this around 343. Okay, now it's still a 344. So once it reaches 343, I'll do a short sell on Wipro and I'll keep my 0.5% target, which will be almost like 1 or 1.5 rupees target. So we'll see how the stock will perform. So 343 is where I'll be short selling. I'm waiting for my short sell to trigger yet. So we'll see how it will perform. So I'm not into any trade yet. At 343 is where I'll be entering. So guys, if you can see here, almost 343 is touching now. So once it reaches 343 now, I'll take my short sell entry. So 343.20 yet. So guys, yes, if you can see now, it has touched 341. Okay, so I shot it around 343. As you guys know, on the low mid is 341.20, somewhere around now. And yes, it might continue to go down. And if you guys can see, Nifty is almost 1% up. Yes, 0.95% up as of now. If you can see in the top left, even the Nifty is going up. According to my studies, I picked Wipro and I did a short sell, and yes, it is coming down, and my target is also achieved. And this was the profit what I was able to book today. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today in. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also if you're new to the stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. Okay, so you can go through all of this feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be telling you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on a capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.